In this video, we're going to go over how we can manipulate our bounds and how we have to check certain things before and when we manipulate our bounds. So, first thing we have to think about is what bound we're going to and why, right? So, usually we have two bounds with strings or vectors, and we add or subtract to our bounds, so we determine based on math. Alright, so if we add, like in this case, we're going to the right, which means the bound where we might go out of bounds is the end. If we subtract, we might go out of bounds at the beginning. Right? So we have our bounds here, 0 and size, and we say, okay, what are we doing? We're adding, so we have to look at the end bound, size, which is not included, which is why we have the parentheses. So the first thing we have to do is protect manipulation. Right? So what is our manipulation? Our manipulation is right here. We have I, which is protected up here, but now we have I plus 1. So if we do I plus 1 and we're at 4, we're going to look out of bounds, and that's not allowed. So we have to say, is I plus 1 less than s dot size? Right, so that checks whether our manipulation is in bounds. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And that's out of bounds, so it'll never execute any of this code that determines if it finds consecutive letters, right? But if we're at 3, it'll be in bounds because 3 plus 1 is 4, and that's less than our size.